I was just in for a minute.
Join the conversation. Talk about technology. The various ways it's changing our lives. 888-827-5536. Now, if you're outside the U.S., toll free in the U.S. and Canada, but if you're outside the U.S. Or Canada, you can still call. You just have to be Skype. We had 3 callers, international callers, yesterday. I want to...
Oh! Okay, I guess I'm going to WSM to get this thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no, don't tell me I lost this.
Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Transit include Springfield, Dixon, Ashland City, Nashville, Madison, Goodlettsville, Cooperstown, White Bluff, Bellevue, Kingston Springs, Peterson, Burns, Jelton, Pleasant View, Charlotte, Berry Hill, Cedarburg, Bell Bend, White Creek, and Dean Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your...
No barricades, I'll put them on top. Are they still doing it? Okay, I guess they're not.